Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first vlog. The reason I decided to film this is because winter is kind of ending. We got the sun out just before sunset, and you know, I'm trying to take advantage of the so-called golden hour. So yeah, what I want to talk to you guys about today is a little struggle I've had in the past couple of years with, indeed, the winter season. I myself am a big fan of summer. Biggest fan of summer. I love it. Sun's out almost every day. Days are long. The thing is, I used to hate winter. And one day I was watching some Russian guy. His surname is Tikhomirov, if I'm not mistaken. He's got some real nice videos. I was watching a video of his and he was surfing in Bali. I just got into surfing at that time, and my mind suddenly had this idea, this vision. I was like, surfing and snowboarding are pretty much like cousins. They're just done in opposite seasons. What if I grow to love snowboarding? I can enjoy winter as much as I enjoy summer. That was it. Like, at that point I started looking a lot more at winter sports, and well, not just winter sports, you know, mountains are beautiful when there's snow. Like, you cannot deny that. Mountains are fucking gorgeous when there's snow on them, especially on the trees. And so, I decided, since the winter is ending, but there's still snow on the closest and highest mountain peak in this area where I live. So I decided I'm gonna get on top of that mountain peak and I'm gonna do some filming. So yeah, let's just go to the mountains. And voila! Isn't it gorgeous? Told you you're gonna like it. Okay, now let's spin to the top. And voila, we're here.
1,323 meters.
Yeah, a fucking 1,300 meters above sea level. Snow everywhere. Fucking beautiful. What else can I say? I mean, it's beautiful out here. Like, you cannot deny how beautiful winter can be when you have the snow on the trees, the nice mountain views. Check this out. Check this out. You can see all the way to Slovakia. That right there, that's Slovakia. Unreal. I love it. Alright, so we made like a little run around, made our shots, made our pictures, and I think it's time for a little bit of B-roll.
Rozdělili čas.